Welcome back to my Myrtle Beach real estate video blog. I'm glad you decided to join me again, where I'm bringing you relevant topics about the Myrtle Beach real estate market to help you make good informed decisions. And gosh, we're into 2011 already, of course, and what I want to do with this video is really give you a recap of the Myrtle Beach real estate market in 2010. So I'm going to just go down these numbers. I've done some statistics from our market in 2010, and let's look at this together and see where we're headed. I think this stuff will help us see the trends and see where we're headed in 11 as we move forward. So here's what's interesting. Total transactions for single-family homes in 2010, we closed just a shade under 4,000, 3,988 homes. In 2009, we only closed 3,577 homes. So obviously we sold more units, which is wonderful. The average sales price, however, did still drop on the homes by 4%. Average sales price was $214. The year before was around $223. So about a 4% drop in pricing. Now on the condos, we did 3,464 units closed in 2010 versus 2,900 even in 2009. Nice increase of about over 500 units. Sales price, however, decreased at a higher clip, 13.5%. Average sales price dropped from 2009 to 2010. 171 and change down to a little over $148,000. Now here's what's interesting. We look at trends. Single family homes, short sales. There's so much talk of short sales. What was the actual percentage of units that closed that were short sales versus regular sales? We saw 306 of the 3,988 homes to sell were short sales. In 2009, we had 179. So that number was up significantly, 71%. So we are seeing those things growing, no question about it. Now on condos, the short sales went up from 2009, where we saw 234 units close short. We saw 491 units sell short in 2010. That's a 109% increase. Those things doubled. Now on the foreclosures, we saw in 2010 737 single-family homes closed as bank-owned properties, foreclosures, out of the 4,000 units. That's up from 539 in 2009. And in the foreclosures on condos, obviously those were up as well, up from 450 up to 794, about a 74% increase. So more units sold across the board. Prices are still dropping a little more on the condos. So, I mean, really summarizing, what do we see here? I see a few things. Total transactions were up by nearly 1,000 units, 13% increase in units. Prices still dropping, as I mentioned. Single family homes, we see much smaller amount of depreciation on single family homes. In fact, the median sale price for single family homes dropped from 175 to 173. So we're seeing average sales price, median sale price shrinking dramatically in single family homes. So I believe we're closer to the bottom on single family homes than we are condos for sure. What's the other trend? Short sales. Certainly those are increasing. Banks are realizing that they save a bunch of money by doing the short sale process instead of going through the process of foreclosing. And certainly if you think you may be a candidate for short sale, call me. Let's talk about that and see how we can help you get rid of this property, dispose of that property, and get rid of the negative cash flow. Bottom line is, as a seller of property, I think if you're willing to ride this thing out for, say, condos for 4 to 5, maybe even 6 years, I think you hold it. If you're not a holder of a condo for the next 4 to 5 to 6 years, you're a seller today. And if you're buying, don't try to time the market. Prices are down dramatically from 5-6 years ago. Interest rates are creeping up a bit. So don't hesitate. If you're a buyer, now's the time to buy. So we're excited about 11. We're seeing interest rates starting to creep up. I believe this is going to be a wonderful year. We're going to see units go up, and we're hoping prices continue to start to stabilize a little bit more. Thanks for watching again. I hope this is helpful. I'll post all these numbers on my blog. I look forward to talking to you real soon. Shoot me an email, greg@gregsisson.com, or you can even call my cell phone, 843-2 251-2693. I look forward to talking to you real soon.